This creamy peanut butter banana pie has a nutter butter crust filled with layers of chocolate, banana slices, a peanut butter filling, and freshly whipped cream. Place 22 nutter butter cookies in a food processor and process until finely ground. Transfer to a medium bowl and add butter. Mix well, pour into a 9-inch pie pan, and use your hands to press firmly into the bottom and up the sides. Bake for 6 to 8 minutes and let cool. Whisk together 1 3.4-ounce box of instant vanilla pudding and 1 cup of milk. Use an electric mixer to beat 1 cup of peanut butter, 4 ounces of softened cream cheese, and a half a cup of sweetened condensed milk until smooth. Stir in the pudding mixture. Whip 1 cup of heavy cream with 2 tablespoons of sugar. Fold 1 cup of whipped cream into the peanut butter mixture. Spread 1/3 cup of hot fudge sauce in the bottom of the crust and top with a layer of banana slices. Spread peanut butter mixture over bananas and top with remaining whipped cream. Refrigerate for at least 1 hour and then top with chocolate curls. This is a cool and creamy pie you'll want to eat all summer long. Full recipe at spicysouthernkitchen.com.